How to play Rainbow Six Siege with controller in PC. Welcome back to Let Me Help, and let's start with this easy tutorial. Starting off, you need to open up your Steam as it is the very simplest form of playing a game with a controller. Now, all you have to do is configure for your controller. To do so, just go ahead and select on the Steam option that is in your left hand corner. Navigate to the option of Settings. From the Steam settings list, hit the controller option. Now as you can see, it supports all kinds of controllers, even your generic ones. Simply toggle it on to enable your Steam input. Now go ahead and enable all of these buttons. Make sure that you do not turn off your controller when exiting big picture mode. Now, if your Xbox is not being supported, go ahead and install this additional driver. Search for your Rainbow Six Siege and you have to navigate to the setting button, which will be at the bottom. You have to tap on it and head to your controllers, then make sure to select the Steam input and enable it. After this, you'll be able to configure certain keys according to your preference. This is the most basic or standard keys that is used by the players on Rainbow Six Siege. You can screenshot it or configure on your own as well. And it's a wrap for the video as well. Thank you so much for tuning in.